Next video. In today's video we will be doing how to how to store data, not temporary, how to store data for a watchOS app inside a file, in a JSON format, and also how to store key value data in async storage for a watchOS app with SwiftUI obviously. So let's get started. So here you can see that in my output I have three items. uh, Actually there are just two items and the last one is a button. So here when you click on the button, it changes the line limit for your particular text depending on how long your text is. So my second text is very long, so if I again click on it, it displays a line limit as 3. Now if I click on it again, I am making it as 1, but if you want you can make it 4, 5, 6, whatever you want to. And if I click if I add some new item, suppose hi, done. Okay, and I can click on this plus button. So here you can see I have added this hi as well, and the same detail inside the detail screen you can see that particular item. Now if I stop the app, if I run it again, you will see that the data which I have entered will be persisted. I'm not using Swift data. We'll cover that maybe in a future video, but in this video I will just show you how to store it in a particular file with JSON format. So here you can see that my data has been persisted. So yeah, let's get started. So first, create a watchOS application. Next, I have created this identifiable struct, as well as it is codable, and I have added some ID as well as some text. And if you see our content view over here, firstly we will be storing this nodes inside an array, so variable for that and one for our text input. And this @AppStorage internally uses user defaults to store normal key value data. So here you can see the line count I have set it by default as 1, and it will be stored as so this is our key for it. Next, I have just added a text field. I have taken navigation stack for navigation, and inside a stack I have just taken a text field as well as a button. And this button will only add to our nodes once the text is not empty, and once it has added to our array, then I'm just calling the save button as well, save method as well. Next, I have added one list. If you want you can make it a lazy list as well. And I am just looping over our nodes, and here you can see I have added a navigation link, and inside that navigation link I have just detail view, and the label is just a normal text. So whatever we have inside our nodes array will get displayed inside this text. And if you see this, this is our button for increasing the line count. So I'm increasing it by +1, but as soon as it becomes 4, I'm setting it back to 1. So this is used over here. So you don't have to call get key or set key. You just have to define it something like this, and you can just keep on using it. And I have just defined a navigation title as well as display mode, and as soon as this screens is displayed on the screen, we are calling the load method. And if you see the load method, we are using something like url.documents directory.appending, and we create this nodes, and here we store our data inside this particular nodes. So this data is persisted using the documents directory. You can use something like this as well, but I think this is a much better approach instead of using the file manager. Next, I have called this save, but so this is for loading and this is for saving. So I'm just getting all our data and just appending it to our notes array, and I'm writing it to it, notes file. And if you see there is a delete option as well, so here I can just call nodes.remove and we save it back again. So here you can see we are again encoding that data, entire data, just saving it. Okay, so if I delete the data, you can just right click, delete it, and it will get deleted. Next, inside detail view, not much. We are just sending the index as well as the note and just displaying it inside a text component. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.